Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get blossom trees in Animal Crossing. First, understand that these beautiful trees are a seasonal occurrence, transforming your island for a limited time. They provide a unique resource, cherry blossom petals, which are essential for crafting special items. Get ready to learn when and how to make the most of this vibrant period on your island. Blossom trees grace your island for a brief, 10-day period, typically starting in early April. During this special cherry blossom season, all your regular hardwood trees will temporarily transform into these stunning pink varieties. This means you don't need to plant special trees, simply wait for the season to arrive. Make sure to mark your calendar so you don't miss out on this beautiful transformation. Once the season begins, you'll see cherry blossom petals gently floating around your island. Use your net to catch these delicate petals, just like you would with bugs. Isabelle will also give you your very first seasonal DIY recipe to get you started. For more unique crafting recipes, keep an eye out for balloons floating across your island and pop them to discover new designs. To maximize your petal collection, consider planting more hardwood trees around your island before the season starts, as more trees mean more potential petal spawns. Don't hesitate to trade with friends if you're struggling to find specific DIY recipes. Collaboration can be key. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite stories anywhere, anytime, even while relaxing on your blossom-filled island.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.